The consultation process in Child and Family Services for the Anishinaabeg of Lac-Simon, Picogan, Kitsisakik, and Winaway.
Tapshkut kji inakunege kujabno dishak kjimno wabigich ashit kjimno madzit Anishinaabekak.
Together, let's create our own laws so our children may flourish among us. The Anishinaabe people have always taken care of their children. Despite colonization, trauma, and daily challenges, the Anishinaabeg preserve a way of doing things that is unique and influenced by tradition while adapted to their current needs. In implementing their inherent right to self-governance, they wish to document the collective memory of ancestral practices and consult with the population in order to revitalize, confirm, and redefine these ways. Why? Because, after all, the Anishinaabeg are experts in their own well-being. Therefore, the band councils of the participating communities have mandated Minoa Bigiwasan to carry out the necessary work to develop an Anishinaabe law in their image, which will prevail over the Youth Protection Act in case of conflict between the two laws. A task force has been created to develop this project under the supervision of the Minoa Bigiwasan Board of Directors. This team will conduct consultations with community members on communities and cities of the area. While awaiting the creation of the Anishinaabe Act, Minoa Bigiwasan continues to provide quality child protection services to the public in accordance with their values. This major consultation process will be divided into 3 phases. The first phase will focus on the foundations of Anishinaabe and Akaniguin. Discussions could cover the elements to be redefined in the elaboration of the Anishinaabe law, traditional practices and Anishinaabe laws related to family well-being, Anishinaabe Mediziwin, the purpose of a youth and family protection system, the obligations of the community to the child or family experiencing difficulties. The second phase will focus on the actors and processes that will form the system. Discussions could cover the roles and responsibilities of the Child and Family Protection Authority, the process of evaluation and intervention to be observed with Anishinaabe families, the authorities for dispute resolution, governance, and oversight to be created. The third phase will serve to validate the newly created norms and institutions with the population based on information collected during the consultation. The floor is yours. All comments will contribute to the development of the Act. For more information, visit Minoa Bigiwasan's website, mino-bigiwasan.ca/services/C-92. If you have any questions, you can write to us at the following email address: consultation@mino-obigiwasan.ca, or call us at 819-975-5535.